Hi guys, so I decided to add some more 3D flowers to our encapsulated floral design. Yes, I know it can be or seem a little bit extreme, but I hope you guys stay for this tutorial, as well as you subscribe to my channel and tell a friend so that they too can subscribe and be a part of the upcoming giveaway. Don't forget you can also follow me on Instagram at curlys_artistic_nails, and stay tuned for more. I double dipped my acrylic to form the petal, and by that I mean I dipped my brush in the white acrylic and then I dipped it in a teal color acrylic so that I can get a nice ombre petal. And I used a blue Swarovski in the center so that I actually create my petals around the Swarovski. And I think it's actually a cute, simple way to do a nice floral design and still give you, that chic look to go back with the entire design. Yeah, I'm using another Swarovski. I think this one is baby blue or Sapphire. I can't remember. I'll put it in the link below. And I actually did just one petal with that, and I'm doing my favorite 3-petal flower. Yes. Just to go back with the ENCAPS floral design, you still want to maintain a little formality. Yes, it's a very long nail, but you don't want it to look all over the place. You still want it to look a little cute and tie everything back together. So I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of the video, because these voiceovers, it's really giving me a headache and I'm a bit out of breath. I'm not too sure if you hear it in the rest of the video. I'm sorry about that. I'm really out of breath today, but I hope you guys enjoy. And I honestly think, because I have done the design so thin, I think I can encaps these flowers as well. So if you do see a part 3, it's because I decided, okay, why not? Let's experiment and see how many layers of encapsulated flowers I can do. Hey, that probably should be the next video. Why not? We'll see how that goes. And that's it, dolls and gents. I hope you guys enjoyed this extra 3D floral design, so encapsulated design. If you think I should do a part 3 and experiment and encapsulate this design as well, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and I will see how that goes. And I shall see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye. God bless.